BODAQS is an open source mountain bike data acquisition project focused on making professional analysis tools affordable and accessible. In the last video, we installed BODAQS Desktop and opened the Workbench. In this video, we'll take a look at some suspension analysis data from the demo library. The session selector is a list of the sessions available for analysis. For now, pick any one of these sessions. The preview panels below the table are useful for a quick data quality check before opening the full analysis view. With the session selected, click Analyze Now or double-click on the row. The launcher checks the selected session or sessions to make sure they have enough data. Different analysis views have different data requirements. For now, the simple suspension analysis view is the only option, so this is the one we'll be looking at. This view just needs wheel motion for at least one end of the bike. Click Open in Tab. The analysis opens in a separate browser tab, with the library staying available in the original tab. Multiple analysis views can be opened at the same time, each in their own tab. The simple suspension analysis view presents some basic analysis of suspension movement that is popular for bike setup, including wheel displacement and speed distributions, and compression and rebound speeds as a function of stroke depth. The pull-out panel on the left-hand side provides options for modifying the display or restricting the analysis to a particular time window. The first panel is wheel displacement distribution. It shows where the suspension spent its time during the session. Some statistics to characterize the distribution are shown in the table below and in the horizontal bars on the chart. Mean, also known as dynamic sag, median, 95th percentile and maximum travel, interquartile range and skewness. The velocity plot changes the question from where the suspension was to how fast it was moving. Compression appears above the axis and rebound below it, so you can quickly see the balance of movement in both directions. The velocity plot is showing stroke maximum speeds, that is, the highest speed achieved during a compression or rebound phase of the suspension movement. Similarly, the stroke length distribution groups the individual suspension strokes according to size. All the frequency distribution charts can be rendered as cumulative frequency distributions if desired. The option is available in the left-hand pull-out panel. The compression and rebound metric panels chart the maximum velocity seen during a stroke against the maximum displacement of that stroke. The relationship between the two, represented on this chart by a line fitted to the data, can be seen as characterizing damping behavior, particularly for rebound where the spring force, which increases with stroke displacement, is the only thing driving the suspension in that direction. There are various options in the left-hand pull-out panel to control how the data is displayed. Some of the comparison options shown aren't really relevant when we're looking at a single session, but we'll cover these in a later video. We can, if we want, select a shorter segment of the session and examine the charts just for that portion. In the next videos, we will look at analysis with multiple sessions, GPS track segments, inspecting signal data, bookmarking, and more. Hopefully you've downloaded the software and tried it for yourself. We'd love to have your feedback. If you spot something that's hard to use, doesn't make sense, or just plain doesn't work, we'd very much like to hear from you. I'm aiming to produce a quality product here, and your feedback is genuinely appreciated. For more information, visit bodaqs.net, follow us on Instagram, or join our Discord server. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.